Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hey, hi. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Nice. Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Okay, so our team is joining you today for the special moment for the unveiling of the new Lamborghini. So please proceed.
Okay. It's awesome. Okay.
True style is effortless. Confidence comes from within. But perfection takes time. You take on a challenge, push your boundaries, and move on to your next destination, day after day. It's a never-ending journey. You rewrite the rules, set new goals, embrace the future. But the future is now. So go on. Now's the time to unveil your Huracan. Unveil your dream. Because the only way to look is forward, and the only road to take is the road to greatness.
That is amazing. Thank you so much. Amazing. Wow. It's exactly what it's amazing. I love those wheels. I love those wheels. Can I open the door? Yeah. Do you like this white? That it did the white on the dash. Do you like the little white stripe? I like love that. Yeah. It's so cool. Yeah. 10 seconds? Okay, yeah. So cool.